Assalamu alaikum. This is Mubashra from the platform of Innovative Learning, and today the video is about adjective and degrees of adjective. So let's see the first slide regarding adjective and its degrees. Firstly, we'll see the definition of adjective. A word which describes the quality or quantity of a noun or pronoun is called a adjective. ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो नाउन या प्रनाउन की क्वालिटी या क्वांटिटी को डिस्क्राइब करे एडजेक्टिव कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस अली इज़ अ टॉल बॉय. द अंडरलाइन वर्ड टॉल शोज द क्वालिटी विच इज़ ऑल्सो एन एडजेक्टिव. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस देर इज़ अ लिटिल मिल्क इन द ग्लास. The underlined word a little shows the quantity, which is an adjective of quantity. Degrees of adjective. There are 3 degrees of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is the adjective in its simple form. It is used to denote the mere existence of some quality of what we speak about. It is used when no comparison is made. For example, he is an intelligent student. The word intelligent is a positive degree of the adjective. And then in the second sentence, Alia is a beautiful girl. The word beautiful is a positive degree of adjective. Next one is the comparative degree. The comparative degree of adjectives denotes comparison between two nouns. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव में 2 नाउन्स के दरमियान मुआसना किया जाता है. ओनली 2, नॉट मोर देन 2. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज़ टॉलर देन अली. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, ही इज़ मोर इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट देन दैट स्टूडेंट. सो इन बोथ ऑफ दीज एग्जाम्पल वी हैव ड्रॉ द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन 2 persons. So these are the examples of comparative degree of adjective. Next is a superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of the quality and is used when more than 2 things are compared. इसमें 2 से ज़्यादा चीज़ों का मुआसना किया जाता है. For example, he is the most intelligent student of all the students. In the second sentence, he is the tallest of all the boys. So in these both examples, we have draw the comparison among more than 2 persons. So these are the examples of superlative degree of adjective. Now we'll see the rules to change the degree of adjective. The first rule is most adjectives of one syllable and some of more than one form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. For example, great is the positive degree, greater is the comparative degree because here we have added the word er to the great, and then greatest is the superlative degree. Wise is the positive degree, wiser is the comparative degree, and wisest is the superlative degree. Same with the word dark. Dark is the positive degree, darker is the comparative degree, and the superlative degree of the word dark is the darkest. The next rule is if the positive form is a word of one syllable and ends in single consonant preceded by a single vowel, the consonant will be doubled before adding er and est. For example, big is the positive degree, bigger is the comparative degree, and biggest is the superlative degree. In this example, before adding er to the comparative degree, we have doubled the consonant letter G, and same with the superlative degree, we have doubled the last consonant letter which is G before adding est. Then thin is the positive degree, thinner is the comparative degree, and thinnest is the superlative degree. Hot is the positive degree, hotter is the comparative degree, and hottest is the superlative degree. The next rule is when the positive form ends in y and is preceded by consonants, then y is changed into I before adding er and est. For example, easy is the positive degree, comparative degree of easy is easier, and then easiest is the superlative degree. In the comparative degree of easy, we have replaced the word y with I before adding er, And in the superlative degree, we have replaced the word I. We have replaced the word Y with I before adding est. Then happy is the positive degree, happier is the comparative degree, and happiest is the superlative degree. And then pretty is the positive degree, prettier is the comparative degree, and superlative degree of the word pretty is prettiest. The next rule is adjectives of more than 2 syllables form the comparative and superlative by putting more or most before the positive. For example, beautiful is the positive degree, more beautiful is the comparative degree, and most beautiful is the superlative degree. Difficult is the positive degree, more difficult is the comparative degree, and most difficult is the superlative degree. Intelligent is the positive degree, more intelligent is the comparative degree, and most intelligent is the superlative degree of the word intelligent. Let's see the next rule regarding the irregular adjectives. A few words do not follow any rule, and these are called irregular adjectives. Let's see the examples of irregular adjectives. Little is the positive degree, less is the comparative degree, least is the superlative degree, and then good or ill is the positive degree, better is the comparative degree, and best is the superlative degree. Up is the positive degree, upper is the comparative degree, and uppermost is the superlative degree of the word up. Many or much is the positive degree, and then more is the comparative degree, and most is the superlative degree. These are the examples of irregular adjectives. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share the video. Thank you.